Hey everyone, I'm Strykar, back with another plan with me, and I was really looking forward to recording this, but whenever I got around to it, I really wasn't feeling 100%, and I'm still not feeling the greatest, as you can probably tell by my voice. So I really don't want to be obnoxious this whole video. I'm going to try not to talk as much as possible, but I did want to kind of let you guys know what I'm starting off on, and of course, I'm going to do my main page first. So as you can see, I'm going in and writing the word February in this specific font that I just kind of thought of, and I thought the word February would look really cute in. And then I'm taking some flowers that I bought at the dollar store, and I'm just going to cut the petals off. I really thought that kind of gave it the lovey type Valentine's Day vibe that I wanted my February agenda to have, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue those down. After I give those flowers a little bit to dry, I'm going to go ahead in with my sticker book and just add a couple like rose gold heart stickers on the inside of the petals and then around the page, just to kind of spice it up a little bit. And I really wanted that 3D effect with these flowers. That's why I decided to use them in the first place. So after your agenda is closed for a while, or anytime you close it in general, I mean, those flowers are going to start to flatten out a little bit, so it won't be as obnoxious as it may seem. For this next page, I'm going to go ahead and draw out my month at a glance, as I like to say. That's usually what I like to do for my second page in my journal, or first page, I mean, however you want to say it, whatever. But I'm going to make it pretty simple this month, and I'm going to go ahead and use my sticker books to my advantage, and then I spelled out the word February as you saw, and then I'm going to go ahead and draw my calendar. These cute little sticker books that I'm going to keep going back to, I actually got from Target. They are both $3, but honestly, you might be able to get them cheaper somewhere else, but these ones are really cute, and I figured that they would last me a while. I also picked up this really cute washi tape from Target. It just says XOXO, on the tape. And it was only $1. I figured I would border my page with it. And then for this notebook page, I'm basically just drawing out like goals and kind of making it look like a notebook paper where I can jot down any thought. And I also wanted to add in, if you don't have any washi tape that looks like the one I have, you could always draw that out with like a pen or a marker. This is where I do my day-to-day breakdowns, where I just need enough space for me to write anything I'm doing throughout my day. I just want that room in my agenda. I also made this page really simple. I think I really wasn't feeling it whenever I drew this out. My creativity just wasn't coming to the paper, I think because of how sick I was feeling. But I promise next month is going to be so much better, so definitely stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here. You also might have noticed that I've been drawing on my lines using an envelope. That's because I lost my roller. So just wanted to, put that out there. My last page this month, I'm going to go ahead and draw my what I've ate type of chart so that I can go ahead and fill in what I've had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And that's it, unfortunately, for this planner. I hope you guys enjoyed what I did draw out for you guys and hope that it inspired you a little bit. While you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.